3D cartoon animation videos where a boy and a girl meet for a coffee date and everything looks like a Disney Pixar movie? The characters stay exactly the
Really?
same in
Thanks.
every
I'm Liam.
scene. Their
I'm
emotions
Emma.
look
Nice to meet
natural.
you.
You can see the nervousness, the shyness, and the excitement of a first date. The background sounds, lip syncing, and voice quality all feel realistic. The amazing part?
You can sit here.
This entire
Really?
video was
Thanks.
created
I'm Liam.
using
I'm
AI.
Emma.
And
Nice to meet
today,
you.
I'll show you exactly how you can create videos like these on your phone in just 10 minutes, even if you have no technical experience. You don't need to record a voiceover, you don't need to add music, you don't need to add sound effects. The AI handles everything for you. Many people are already creating AI videos like these from home and even earning money from them. So if you're ready, let's get started. Step 1. Create your story using ChatGPT. The first thing we need is a story. Open ChatGPT and type a prompt like, "I want to create a cute Disney Pixar-style love story about a young girl and a friendly young boy who meet in a coffee shop." Include dialogue in each scene. You can change this prompt based on the type of story you want. For example, friendship story, adventure story, kids learning story, animal story, funny story. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete story for you. It will include scene descriptions, character actions, dialogues, and visual details. Now your story is ready. Step 2. Generate images for each scene. Next, we need images for every scene. But where do we get image prompts? Again, ChatGPT can help. Simply ask, "Write detailed image generation prompts for each scene in 3D Disney Pixar style." ChatGPT will instantly generate detailed prompts for all scenes. Now open an AI image generation tool like Flow AI. Create a new project. Paste the image prompt into the creation box. Select Image Mode, your preferred aspect ratio, then click Generate. The AI will create multiple image options. Choose the one you like best and download it. Important tip: keep characters consistent. If you want your animation to look professional, your characters must look the same in every scene. The face, clothes, hairstyle, and overall appearance should remain consistent. When generating the second scene image, upload the image from scene 1, add the new prompt, then generate again. This helps the AI maintain the same characters throughout the story. Repeat this process for all scenes. Now you have all your images ready. Step 3. Turn images into animated video clips. Now it's time to convert those images into videos. We'll use the same AI tool for this. To create realistic animations with lip syncing and dialogue, we'll generate a JSON video prompt. Don't worry, you don't need any technical knowledge. ChatGPT will create it for you. Upload your scene image to ChatGPT and ask, "Use this image and create a JSON prompt to convert it into a video clip." ChatGPT will generate the prompt automatically. Copy the JSON prompt. Go back to Flow AI, paste the prompt, select video mode, landscape or portrait format, number of video variations, preferred quality settings, then upload the scene image and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the AI will create a short animated video. You can preview it immediately. If needed, you can extend the clip length, change camera angles, adjust camera movement, upscale video quality. Then download the final clip. Repeat this process for all scenes. Step 4. Combine all clips into one video. Now you have multiple video clips. Import them into any video editor, such as VN Editor, Filmora, Clipchamp, CapCut, or Canva. We will here use Canva to combine all clips. Arrange the clips in order. Add transitions if you want. Export the final video. Congratulations! Your complete AI cartoon animation video is ready. How to make money with AI cartoon videos. There are several ways to earn from these videos. Method 1. Start a YouTube channel.
Oh no!
Create a channel dedicated to animated stories. Because your characters remain consistent, you can build an entire series around them. As your channel grows, you can earn through YouTube ad revenue, sponsorships, and brand deals. Method 2. Offer freelance animation services. Many businesses and creators need animated videos. You can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Freelancers often charge anywhere from $20 to $500 per project depending on complexity. Method 3. Create a virtual AI influencer. Design your own digital character. Use that character on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. As the character becomes popular, brands may pay for collaborations and promotions. Many AI-generated AI influencers are already earning significant income through brand partnerships. Final thoughts. AI is making video creation easier than ever before. You no longer need expensive software, professional editing skills, or animation experience. With the right tools, you can create professional-quality cartoon videos, build an audience, and even start earning online. Start practicing today. Follow these 4 simple steps and create your first AI cartoon animation video. So today, we learned how to create stunning Disney Pixar-style AI cartoon videos in just 4 simple steps.
Really? Thanks.
First, we used ChatGPT to create a complete story. Second, we generated high-quality images for every scene. Third, we turned those images into animated video clips with realistic lip sync and dialogue. And finally, we combined all the clips in Canva to create a complete AI animation video. We also explored 3 powerful ways to earn from this skill. AI is opening up exciting opportunities for creators, and now you have the knowledge to get started yourself. If you found this tutorial valuable, please give this video a like, share it with friends who want to learn AI, and subscribe to CareU AI Studio for more practical AI tutorials, AI tools, content creation tips, and online earning ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.